about you, Justin Bieber.
You are the stupidest person in the world.
I'd rather cut myself with glass than hang out with you. I'd rather cut myself with glass than hang out with your buttocks. Yeah, 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 yeah. Shake it, girl, 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 shake it. Take it to the floor. Show it how you throw. Drop it low. Drop it low. Now, Justin Bieber, there's one thing I know about you, and that is
You're so stupid.
okay. What views do you have? I'd say, how much viewers do you have?
Oh my god, this is so hard.
Right around
That's it?
1, and that's yourself, 'cause you are a spoiled little brat. Now, there's another thing you don't know about yourself.
You don't know about yourself.
Well, there's one thing you don't know about yourself. Or maybe 50. You're stupid, you're ugly, you're annoying, you're a brat, and what's another one?
You're the stupidest person in the world.
If you were the last person on the earth, I still wouldn't be friends with you. And I mean it. I still wouldn't. I would just come up with a friend myself. I would be like, oh, you're my friend. Oh, you're my people. But you got no people. That's what you do.
Seriously, I don't know.
You say, I got a friend. I got your people. But you don't got no people. My people are over there making art. Now, there's another thing you would like to say. What I would like to say about you is, you are never gonna get a date. I know Selena Gomez, and she ain't your man, and she ain't your girl. You ain't ever gonna find a date, except for I.
Whoa! Julie said you're never gonna find a date except for I.
I'm gonna find a date for you, and you older than me. That right. You're the weakest little girl I ever met. And that's the stupidest things I have to say about Justin Bieber. It's not even like he's smart. So that's all the things about Justin Bieber. He's a brat, he's stupid, he's a brat, and he's delusional. See you guys later on Philly is Awesome! Than